Hello everyone, I'm Vasudha Benjani. I'm a member of Samanvay, as you all know me. So it's been more than a year that I have been making bioenzyme, and when I saw its efficacy in home cleaning and the fact that it cleans your home but it also cleans the environment at the same time, it really amazed me, and that is what really attracted me towards it. So 1 ml of bioenzyme, it decontaminates 1000 ml of water. 1 लीटर पानी को 1 ml bioenzyme शुद्ध कर देता है. So isn't it a miracle? That is why I call it the miracle enzyme. So I have been creating this awareness since June, and where I teach people how to make their own bioenzyme at home. आप जो छिलके फेंकते हो वो ही छिलकों को यूज़ करके अपने बायोएंजाइम बना सकते हैं. So one fine day I decided that I'm going to make bioenzyme in bulk and make it available to people who have not yet started their journey with it. That is how Miracle Enzyme came into the picture. The message that I would like to convey is that it will be a no froth cleaning. If froth was an indicator of cleaning, then why the water bodies that have froth aren't termed as clean? So just have a thought, be a little conscious in what we are leaving behind for our children, and take the right step. Why bioenzyme? Bioenzyme because it is economical. It doesn't cost you anything. Citrus peels, jaggery, and water. So it really doesn't cost you anything. So it is super cost effective. And secondly, it is effective. Very, very effective. I have been using it everywhere for my laundry, for my utensils, for my toilet cleaning, floor mopping. It is a fertilizer, it is an air purifier. Basically, it is much more than a cleaner, I would say. It does its job even after doing its job. It increases the good microbes around you. And the harsh chemicals that we buy from outside, they kill not only the bad bacteria but also the good bacteria. But this kills bad bacteria and multiplies the good microbes around us. And thirdly, it is eco-friendly. Let us not pollute further, and when we have the solution, why should we go for pollution? And when we are creating this at our home, or if you are buying from me, I am giving it in repurposed bottles. I am not creating more plastic in the environment. That is the whole objective of going in for the repurposed bottles. So we are in a way reducing the plastic when we are not going to buy so many plastic from outside for our home cleaning, different home cleaning needs. All the harsh chemicals can be replaced with bioenzyme and its variants. So one product can do all your home cleaning needs job. Lastly, I would like to thank Samanvay, to the entire team, and especially Bhavna, who has made this possible, who has been part of my dream. When I started making in bulk, I had nothing in my mind as how I'm going to go about. It just came from inside, and I started making in bulk. In 3 days, I get a call from Bhavna that hey, I want to do your session with Samanvay people, and I want to give them this product. You're doing such a wonderful job for the environment, and I want to give this to them. I was so happy that it's just been 3 days that I've started my batch, and I get the order for Samanvay people. Thank you so much for being so supportive. So do try this product out. It is 100% natural, and do your Diwali cleaning with this bioenzyme and increase the good microbes around you. So, and I would love to hear from you uh, the feedback for my product, and I'm always there to guide you on this journey to make the switch. It is not only for the environment, it is for us also, for our health, for our family members' health. Thank you.